So when I first moved into my studio, I was given a gift. This little bundle of mystery was sent from Matt from Totally Not Panicking, and under this cloth is, well, a kit bash. It could be anything, but I have to build on top of it before I can reveal what Matt has made. They've also sent 2 miniature ones, and then I also have to make something to send to them to unveil. There's a lot to do. Welcome to my bits box. Baby, good start. I really like cheap sort of toys as well, they're quite fun. Oh, this is good. This is a solid base. Outhouse, we could do something with this for sure. So while digging through my bits box, these are all the sorts of things that stood out to me as instant inspiration. That's where I'm going to start my build from. This lizard, I love the texture of. This portal, I think would be a good head, maybe? Portal baby, right? It's a baby and it's a portal, and also clearly a guardian of the portal because it has this big old stick. What I like so far is sort of the weight and the pose of it. You can feel that this arm on this side is really heavy and is pulling it down, and the stick is quite heavy for this little arm. There's a lot of dynamicism going on right here. Let's cover it in green stuff and bulk it out and make it good. I've been living off of adrenaline for like a week since publishing a Kickstarter with my friend Tina. So I'm just having a little lie down, which honestly is not a bad way to sculpt. I love Portal Baby so much. Reveal time, reveal time. Okay. Oh my God, all right. Oh wow. That's beautiful, really. Oh my God. Man, that's fucking sick. This sort of challenge, this game that Matt has made is called Exquisite Corpse, based off of the children's game that you play with like a folded piece of paper. You draw a monster part and you fold it over, and then someone else connects to that and then folds it over, and someone else connects to it, and you open up and there's a monster that you've made as a group. Well, I am going to send Matt, Totally Not Panicking, my own Exquisite Corpse, and I think it's got to be Cabbage Baby. Sorry. Okay, all right. Cabbage Baby, let's just... Okay, all right. That's quite good, actually. Alright, this is what I've come up with for my gift to Matt, the Exquisite Corpse I'm sending to Matt. I am going to cover this whole thing up and just leave this little cavity inside exposed, and that way they have to build inside of here, and then when they're done, they unwrap it, and this is what they see. Yeah, look, I like it. It's weird though. This is what I'm sending to Matt, all wrapped up. This is where he'll have to build from. Okay, this one is really throwing me off. This, if I feel gently, this does feel like there's a base on the bottom of this, but whatever this connection point is, I really have no idea. I'm assuming that there's legs and a body, but who would know? Let's try. I'm gonna use some old Nurgle Diaries bits for this one. I don't know why I get so nervous revealing these. Okay. Good start, good start. Yeah, let's reveal this together. I mean, oh. Oh, well look, that's something. That's something. Now, this one, our very last one, I think just needs a pair of legs. But, how about some wheels? I guess, do we just reveal it, right? Oh god. Oh, that's fitting as. Oh, that's cool. Oh, this is good. I love this already. I'm looking for a chimney or something. No, this is way better. Way better, way better. Okay, ready? Mech, right? No. Yes. No. Yes, we're doing a mech. It's like a little AT-AT. No, what was the walker in Return of the Jedi? I mean, this sort of sucks in a good way, right? For this one, I'm leaving the mouth open for Matt to build in. This is old nurgle stuff. My kit bashing process is really quick and dirty. I just slam bits I like together, try to make interesting shapes and silhouettes and concepts, and then once I've done that, I sort of feel like I've succeeded, and then I just patch up the little details vaguely later. This is what we ended up with. I really love the silhouette, the sweeping shape of it. I like the pudginess down the bottom, little crustaceans on the back. Now, I haven't done the top of the rider because that will be up to Matt to work out what is going on the top. Everything else I'm going to wrap up. Normally, I like to prime models with a rattle can, but I hand primed this baby because this rubber material, last time I worked with it, something weird happened. These little baby hands here are the same rubber, and I used a rattle can, and they're still really sticky, so the solvent must have done something to the rubber, and this is like a month later. So hand priming is the solution, and then spray. This is our paint job so far, all rattle cans. This green is fluorescent marking paint. To make this pop, we're going to use oil paints. I've first laid down a matte spray paint over the top of this to protect the paint from solvents. Very important step. Then we just wipe it off. Matt from Totally Not Panicking uses heaps of texture in his artwork, so that's why I'm using a bunch of pigment powders. It looks cool, right? If you enjoy weird fantasy stuff like this, you should consider checking out my Kickstarter, Plants Nowhere to Be Found. It's a weird art book, artifact, RPG prop that I made with my friend Tina, and it's very me. Whatever that is. Best way to support me right now. Also, thank you very much, Matt from Totally Not Panicking. This was sick. All right. Thank you. Love you. Bye.